Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AI with I. Today we'll talk about AI. It's a basic of AI. If you're not sure what to study and where to start, so that means you are facing the exact same issue I had before, and I completely understand. So when you search the internet, you find millions of pieces of information, but you are left feeling stuck, unsure of what to do next. I was in your shoes, and today I am sharing the exact roadmap that got me out of that loop. Well, stop scrolling first. This video is for you. Let's break it down fast. So, every generation experienced one technology that changed the world forever. The internet changed communication. Smartphone changed human behavior. And now AI. AI changed how human thinks, work, create, and make decisions. Understanding AI is no longer optional. It is becoming an important skill for every industry and every professional. Today, let's deep dive into and explore of foundation of AI together. Let's see. I'm covering this in two sessions. In one session, I'll explain what is AI, why AI matters today, and common terminology which is using in AI. Session 2, I'll cover AI versus machine learning versus deep learning versus LLM, NLP, all of that. And we'll see some real life AI examples. So let's see. What is an AI? AI is simple a computer or a machine that can think, learn, and make decisions just like a human. Normally, computer can do exactly what human programmed them to do. But an AI machine can look at information, figure out pattern by its own, and solve problem without a human telling it every single steps. It can understand the language, it can recognize the image, it make the decision, and it's learn from the data. So if you are seeing any recommendation in Netflix, so it's AI. If you are unlocking your phone through your Face ID, that's AI. So AI we are using all over. So why AI matters? So AI is matter because it's making smarter decision, reduce manual efforts, it works faster, it solves complex problem easily. If I take an example and if I'll ask you why you are using smartphone, so many people use for GPS, getting navigated through that. Some people are using professional cameras, some are using mobile banking, some are using for entertainment. Why people are using smartphone? Because they want their life easy and fast, they can get it whatever they want immediately. That's same as AI. AI is used for every industry. For healthcare, they are using for disease prediction, medical image analysis. In banking, they are using for fraud detection, chatbot for customer support, entertainment. It's for Netflix recommendation, YouTube recommendations, smartphone. We are unlocking the phone through the face, voice assistant, social media we are using for Instagram feed recommendation, Facebook friend suggestion, e-commerce, AI chatbot support. So all the industry is using AI. What is the key reason why everybody is using AI and which areas we are using? So the first is automation of repetition of work. So AI can handle repetitive tasks automatically, like chatbot answering every customer questions, which will help company to give a better results for the customer. Faster decision making. AI analyze huge amount of data much faster than the human. It will help fraud detection in banking. Personalized user experience. AI understands user behavior and preferences like Netflix movie recommendation, Amazon products suggestion. Improve accuracy. AI reduce human error in many processes like image recognition, speech recognition, and of course, it's available 24 by 7. You can use in virtual assistant, customer support chatbot, monitoring system. Last is innovation and future growth. AI driving innovation in robotics, self-driving cars, smartphones, healthcare research, generative AI tools everywhere. Now deep dive into the basic terminology which you will hear everywhere whenever people are using AI. So let's concentrate on these words, these terminology, because we will use this terminology in all our sessions. So let's talk about model first. What is model? You need to understand AI model. Think of the model as a brain. It works just like a student studying for an exam. You feed it data like past test question and the model figure out the pattern. Once it learn those pattern, you can give it brand new problem and it can accurately predict the answer. It's like super student that never forgets what it studied. ChatGPT is a language model. Now come to the next. It's a training. Training AI is just like teaching a little kid how to identify things. Imagine showing a kid a red apple. At first, they might mistake a red ball for an apple, but you correct them, show them more example and explains the difference. Over time, kid learns the exact rules. AI training is exact same thing. We show the machine millions of examples and correct its mistakes until it gets it right every single time. Now the next is data set. So a data set is, think of the data set as a big box of flashcards you use to teach a toddler. The front of the card has a picture and the back of the has the label or the answer like dog or cat. If you want the kid to learn, you need a large diverse box of cards. An AI dataset is exactly that. It's the massive pile of labeled photo, text, number we feed into the machine so its brain has something to study. It comes with audio, video, conversations, all of them. The next is prompt. So let's talk about prompt. A prompt is a simply the instruction you give to an AI. Think of it like giving instruction to the child. If you tell a kid go clean, they might just move one toy and stop because the rule was too vague. But if you tell them put all the red blocks into the blue plastic bin, they will do it perfectly. AI works the exact same the way. The more specific and clear your prompt is, the better AI will answer you. So, the next is algorithm. Algorithm, don't let the big word scares you. An algorithm is just a recipe. Think about teaching a kid how to make a peanut butter sandwich. You have to tell them exactly what to do step by step. Open a bag, grab two slices, use a knife, spread the peanut butter and put the piece together. If you skip a step, they get confused. An AI algorithm is just a digital recipe that tells the computer's brain exactly how to process information without making a mess. It will learn pattern, make decision, analyze the data. Next is classification. So classification, think of classification like a kid sorting their toys into different toy box at the end of the day. Dolls go into the toy chest, car go into the red bin and blocks go into the green bins. The kid looks the object, figure out what it is and put it in the right category. In AI, classification is exact same thing. It's when a computer looks at the photo and instantly say this belongs in the cat bucket, or looks at an email and say this belongs to a spam bucket. So all this classification. Now the next is prediction. An AI prediction doesn't mean telling the future with magic. It works exactly like a kid looking out the window in the morning. If a kid sees dark, heavy cloud, they predict it's going to be rain, so they grab the raincoat. They are using clues from the past to guess what will happen next. AI does the same exact thing. It looks at the past pattern, like what song you listen to and what item you buy, and accurately predict what you will want next. It's guessing. Now the last is accuracy. So accuracy is like measurement or the results. So think of accuracy just like a kid score and 10 word spelling test. If the kid spells 9 words right and miss one, their accuracy is 90%. In the AI world, accuracy is exact same report card. It tells us how smart the AI running a high accuracy scores high accuracy scores means the machine is getting its answer right, while a low score means the AI needs to go back to a drawing board and study its data a little harder. Let's compare this all terminology together. So we start a data set. So if we are teaching a kid about a fruit, so let's get the flashcard, 500 fruit flashcard. It has picture of an apple and banana on the front and the correct word written on the back. The next comes to the algorithm. This is the study recipe. It tells the kid brain exactly what the step to take. Step 1, look at the color, and step 2, look at the shape. This leads to the training. The kid sits down and flip through the card. They see sometime red and shape and guess ball. The teacher corrects them, no, that's an apple. The kid tries again and again until they stop making mistakes. What is the model then? Once they finish the training, we have a model. This is the kid newly upgraded brain. It officially understands what makes an apple and what makes a banana a banana. Now the prompt. We hand a kid a brand new piece of fruit and say, tell me what it is. So what model will do? Model will divide into the classification and prediction. First, it will classify how it looks and then it will predict what it would be. So it looks at the green apple and correctly drops into the apple bin. Secondly, it performs the prediction. It looks an yellow banana peel and makes a smarter get. If I peel this, it will taste sweet inside. So that's the classification and prediction. And now finally, we check their accuracy. We give them 10 fruit test. If they got 9 fruit right and mistake 1 lemon for an orange, their accuracy is 90%. This is exactly how an AI system learns things and get grabbed. Thank you. In next session, we will learn different kind of AI, different model of AI. Thank you so much.